Hello. Who do we have here?
I'm TJ.
TJ, we're skydiving today. How are you feeling?
Happy, good.
Nervous, scared, excited?
No, nervous about my doggy if anything happens.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say to anybody watching at home?
I love you, Paco.
All right, let's go have some fun. Yoo-hoo! Rockstar. Yoo-hoo! Yeah. Have some fun. Yoo-hoo! Parachute! Yeah, TJ!
Oh, you take it!
All right. How are you feeling?
What a ride!
What did we say before we left? Go live life. What was the song?
Live, don't live like you're dying.
That's right.
Yeah.
Well, I think we did that.
We did.
What was your favorite part?
I guess realizing it would be a carnival ride. I had no idea. It was crazy. Round and round. Yeah, it was good. All good.
Well, you were a rock star up there. Would you do it again?
I suppose.
Yeah. You heard her, fellas. She might do it again. See ya.